Hey guys, Costa with Pinnacle Stone Partners. Here's Mateo right here. He's from Boston. We are from Chicago, so we just extending our services in Boston area. And right now we're doing the Granite countertop maintenance, restoration. By itself, countertops are in the great shape. We just did a little cheap repair right here, and you're gonna see that in the video. We did very kind of particular, like very cosmetic work. And now we're moving on polishing granite itself. Now, I have this little gadget called gloss meter. So what gloss meter does, it kind of measures the coefficient of the glossiness or the reflectivity. So as you see, we got 75.9, 71, 64. This granite has a lot of fissures. So also gloss meter kind of gets lost in those low spots or little fissures. Now, you see this area right here? This is where the most activity happens, because, you know, this is a sink. There's a lot of, you know, you have to do dishes. You have so much activity. So this area gets worn down. And then just to prove my point, I'm gonna measure this area right here. And it measures 47.4, 47.7, 58, 52. So now what's the goal? Goal is to bring back the reflectivity same as anywhere else. Overall, we are going to repolish the whole area. But at this point, as you see, these blue tapes indicate the area that we are going to restore back to its factory finish. So idea will be to bring back original finish, get to the somewhere 80. So what Matt is gonna do right now is going to hone this area with 500 grit ceramic bond diamond, and then he's gonna continue with 1000 and 2000, and after that he's going to use MB20 polishing compound, which will finalize the gloss, finalize the finish. Okay guys, so guys worked hard to restore this area. I think we got it. We got the factory finish back. If you come close with the camera, you can see the reflection is there. High resolution reflectivity, glass-like appearance. It's fully restored area, like brand new. So let's measure the gloss meter. So we got what? 76. It's pretty good for this particular granite, because this granite has a lot of fissures, and then the gloss meter kind of disappears on those small little fissures. That's why I think it measures, but this is pretty good, 79. So what we're going to do now, we are going to kind of quickly clean up everything, and then we are going to buff everything with the MB20, kind of facelifted the whole perimeter top. So everything nice and uniform. So that's the next step's going to be. So I think this is very nice. If you can see reflection, it's very sharp.